Hey guys and girls, the Wig Company and I welcome you to this wig review of their Fashion Club collection style, Kylie. Kylie is full of layers and volume. This is a full volume long wig that can be worn with bangs. You can either brush them to the side or straight down. I'll show you that later. This is a basic cap style that does have perma-lift or perma-tease at the top, which gives you all of this volume. The textured fibers of this style give you the look of natural, air-dried human hair. This is a regular synthetic that is not heat friendly. What I love best about Kylie, she's affordable. Let's take a closer look at this very pretty style. Kylie's wig cap features a velvet-lined comfort band here at the front. Under this fabric and mesh is a moderate amount of perma-tease, which gives the style its volume, stability, and lift. You have adjustable ear tabs that are open. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. Kylie's wig cap features stretch lace, which provides almost a custom-like fit as it molds to the shape of your head. The extended nape has a slender velvet-lined portion here at the top, and then it's open and fabric at the bottom. On either side are Velcro adjusters, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. At the top of the wig, when you part the synthetic fibers, you can see these small, wiry fibers. That is perma-tease, or otherwise known as perma-lift. This helps hide the wefts. It also gives the style volume. Because Kylie is a basic cap, it does not have a lace front. This is what the hairline would look like if you wore it without bangs. The top does not have parting space. There's no lace part, there's no monofilament. However, you can move the hair fiber in any direction that you choose, and because this is a rooted color, it gives the illusion of a part. See, by combing the bangs off to the right and parting it towards the right, you have the look of a left side part. You could also do the same thing by moving the top fiber over to each side to create the look of a middle part. You can also bring the bangs straight down and just use a wide tooth comb or a pick to tease up the volume at the top. You can also part this wig to the right, which is how I had it in the beginning of the video. I really like it parted to the right. Well, let's talk about this beautiful color. I am wearing Kylie in the color 10/26, number 6. This is one of the beautiful Fashion Club collection rooted colors. It's Golden Pecan, so it's a medium gold brown mixed with a gold blonde. And you have a deep dark brown root. Well, let's take a look at this color outside in natural light. enough length with this style that you could pull the sides back and use a claw clip to create this look. Very pretty. Or you could also put this style in an updo. Here is what the style looks like in a low ponytail. Now when you take Kylie out of the box and put her on your head, this is what she looks like. It's a little crazy, kind of reminds you of a 1980s hairband rocker style. So she's a little messy right out of the box, but you can just use your fingers or a paddle brush or even a wide tooth comb to move the fibers where you want them to be. And you can sculpt your style. I think for the money that this is an affordable, good quality basic cap wig. It retails at the time of this filming for $89, but you can buy two for $69 each. Wearing Kylie, I have a little bit of itching right at the nape of my neck. Now that often happens with wig caps. It doesn't matter what wig brand or what wig cap type. Sometimes you do have a little bit of itching. How that can be alleviated is if you wear a stocking wig cap under your wig. They also make nylon and cotton wig caps, and that'll help take care of that problem. Now, if you're interested in purchasing Kylie in any of the beautiful Fashion Club collection colors, there are non-rooted colors and rooted colors to choose from. I will leave a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop. You can also visit the Wig Company's website, thewigcompany.com, to view all of their beautiful basic cap styles as well as styles from other wig brands. Now, if you have questions about this style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below this video. Now, if you wear Kylie, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.